Hey, welcome back to the next video. Before going to discuss about the HTML file structure or how to write a HTML file, let's know about tags, elements and attributes in HTML. It will then be easier to understand everything next. In the HTML introduction video, during the discussion of the language name breakdown, I have told that any text or other element written in this language is marked up or more specifically enclosed by some texts written within angular brackets. These texts with angular brackets are called tags. These tags are used to tell a browser how it should format and display any content. For example, if I want to show this text on a web page as a paragraph, I would use a p tag, which is also known as the paragraph tag, to tell the browser that it is a paragraph. So when the browser will read the file, it will display the paragraph with some default text formatting. Again, instead, if I use h1 tag for heading, the browser will display the same text in larger size and in bold. Like this, there are many different tags available for different purposes. Now, when we write any paragraph or a heading in HTML, we start by writing a tag at the beginning, then some text, and then ends with the same tag but with a forward slash. The tag at the beginning is called the start tag, and the tag at the end with the forward slash is called the end tag or closing tag, whatever be it. And the text in between is called the content. So the whole thing that is formed by the starting tag, the content and the ending tag is called as HTML element. So for the paragraph, we call it as a paragraph element or p element. For heading, it is h1 element, or for an image, we call it an image element, and so on. Calling an element by its tag name is preferred, but you can use the closest alternative names as per your convenience so that one can understand easily. Now, there are some elements which have a single tag like an opening tag and do not have any text and a closing tag. These type of elements are called empty elements. For example, the br tag or the hr tag. The br tag is used to give a line break, basically to go to a new line, and the hr tag is used to create a horizontal line. These elements do not require anything to be there as an element content. These single tags are enough to define an element. We will see more of that later. Now let's talk about nested elements. In HTML, elements can be nested. That is, we can create an element inside another element. Let's consider this text with one word in italics. If I have to write this in HTML, I would first write this text inside the p tags like this. And inside this element, I would enclose the italicized word with I tags like this. Now, when nesting is done, the element inside is called the child element and the element outside is called the parent element. So here in this example, I element is the child element of p element and the p element is the parent element of I element. This is all about nested elements. We will frequently use these nesting terms when we will work with HTML files. Next, we will talk about attributes, which is the last part of this video. So attributes are something that is used to provide additional information to elements. Let's consider an image element. The img tag is used to embed any image to a web page. It is an empty element. So we create an image element like this. Within the image tag, there is some text with name equals to value pair. This text is known as attribute. The attribute name here is src and the attribute value is myimage.jpg. Hopefully you can understand what this attribute is used for. So the src attribute in the image tag, also known as the source attribute, is used to give the image path where the image is located. The path can be a local path on your computer or any URL of an online image. Like this, you can also set the height and width of an image using the height and width attributes. Now there are huge number of attributes available with HTML, some of which can be used with almost all of the elements available in HTML and others are used with some particular elements. You don't have to memorize anything. Just learn how to use different tags, attributes, etc. from different online sources, some of which I will mention in the description. Practice them and you will get to know step by step and automatically start memorizing them. Lastly, I would like to tell that although there are different alternatives to anything we can do in HTML, like styling to different text elements in such a way that they look exactly same, we should use proper tags to represent an element. Every tag itself carry a meaning, and they do matter for search engine optimization. That helps in ranking your website among all the other related websites. The more proper you use different tags, more is the chance to get your website ranked up on a search. No need to care about it too much right now, but you should care about it when you think of releasing your fully built website. So these are all about tags, elements and attributes in HTML from my side. In the next video, I will discuss about how to write HTML files. So if you like this video, you can give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel and set the bell notification to all. This will help me grow my channel. Meet you in the next video.